here we are, first ride since the MOT, with my new shocks and forks over all the bumps. This is one of the busiest, bumpiest roads on the way to work. As you can see, it's still bumpy. But then fair enough, my car is really bumpy over this road as well. It's just the worst road in Bristol. Generally speaking, the bike now is just a dream. On a smooth surface, we're just gliding along. I can hit bumps without even, you know, before I was really worried about hitting stuff, be very gentle in places, but now I can just ram over them and no worries at all. So I'm really pleased with the upgrade. And also really pleased that it went for the MOT. First time I've ever taken a scooter for an MOT. Quite different to a car, particularly in price. And I know the bloke just come out, walked around it, did a few little adjustments, and then took it in for the proper MOT. Obviously he warned me previous to the MOT that I needed to do the shocks because they were in a bad way. But I already had the shocks. I certainly had the front forks, didn't have the rear one. I had to order that. It took 2-3 days to arrive. Less than an hour for both of them to be put on. And then it was down for the MOT. I left it with them because I've been working really weird hours at the moment and my hours and their hours aren't compatible. And then collected it on Saturday. All done, dusted, 45 quid. So that was real, because that was something I was actually worried about, with it being non-standard import. I thought, if I do need any bits, how am I going to get the bits? How long would it be off the road? Because I really like using it. I use it a lot. Well, I say I use it a lot because between the last MOT and this MOT, although that includes quite a long period of lockdown in between, but I've only done 500 miles, so. But when you think I'm only just going pootling around Bristol, up and down, I've not been on any proper trips, not been very far afield, just around my local area and to work and back sometimes, so 500 miles is pretty cool. First time I've made a video going to work when it's been light. It's 5:30 in the morning, so it's still pretty early, but it's nice and light. As you can see, it's just smooth as anything. Look at this bump. See? Bumps, but you don't feel it much. Green lights all the way. It's going to be amazing, isn't it? Got a day from hell at work. Already been pre-warned to expect a nightmare, so not looking forward to actually getting to work and doing it. I'd much rather be sitting at home drinking coffee and eating cake and getting on with some of the stuff I need to do when I'm at home. But needs must, I need the money. Off to work we go. Right, that's it for now. Only a short little vid, just to show you how pleased I am, and see you next vid.